Cripple Creek, Colorado. Old mining town turned gambling town. Not exactly Las Vegas. Still kind of cool. Got a little confused at the door there. Yeah, if you love slots, Cripple Creek is where you want to be. Because they have slots. Lots of slots. So Cripple Creek, Colorado. It's kind of a small gambling town. Pretty fun if you like slots. Not a lot of restaurants unless you want to go to the casino. I did find one good place called The District. Really good. Great steak fajita tacos. Recommend it. Check it out if you're ever here.